Hi friends, this is Leela. Welcome to my Angular course. In this video, we will see about the nested routes, that is nothing but child routes, where we will be using these child routes. Okay, right now the routes is something it's look like where we can go. You can go to the app module. Yeah, here the routes are like this, right? So if you want to use the child routes, in which scenario we will be using these child routes? So I will show you one example. For example, let's go to users component.html. Okay, so users component.html. Here in this users.component.html, I want to show the list of users. Okay, I want first users.component, it will show the list of users. Okay, fine. Let's go and I remove this all the code and I will go to some ul. Okay, ul class is equal to nav flex hyphen column. I can use this flex hyphen column. Okay, now I can write li, sorry, I can write li, which is of class nav item, and I can write anchor link href or something like this. Okay, so I will write get Rama details. So I can write like this. So now this one I can keep it as nav hyphen link. If you want, you can keep like this. Now I can copy this one and I can paste it here, and I can write another one something like get Krishna details or something like this. Okay, now here I can copy another one and I can paste it here, and I can tell that get Leela details. So these are all the list of users what we are having. Now if you go to the output and if you see, you will be having three users: get Rama details, Krishna details, and Leela details. You are having three types of users here. If I click on this one, it will be not working. Why? Because we didn't have any route for this one. Now we will write a route. So here if I write a route, we can remove this href again and I can write router link. Okay, router link is equal to the set of array. It consists of users, and first one will be 1 comma, and I can send for second one as the name of the user. And here also what I can do, the same scenario, I can repeat it. Router link is equal to slash users, okay, slash 1 slash Krishna, the name of the user. And here also last one will be router link is equal to slash users slash 1 slash, I can write anything something like Leela, my name itself. So these are all the routers. So now if I go here and if I check the output, so here is refreshing. If I check the output here, if I click, I am getting the data. Now if I want to go back to the users, I need to go back again. I need to press the Krishna details. If I want to go back again, I need to press here. So it would be better for us in this scenario. It would be better for us if we click here. If we show the details down itself or side itself, if we show the details down itself or side, if we show, it will be better for us. So how we can achieve this one? I cannot go and I cannot copy this all the things in the user.component.html. I cannot paste it. Okay, so user.component.html we cannot paste it. So it's better what we can do is, okay, we can define a child routes for this one. How we can define a child routes? Here in the app model. So here you can see that users. So this is one type of, what I can say is same components. So one thing what we can do is I can remove this one and I can write here children. Okay, children. So we need to give the set of children's. What are the children's we are having? So here the children is nothing but path is users. So there is no need for us to give the users here. Why? Because we already mentioned users in the parent. Automatically it will be appended. So user slash id slash name will load the component user component. So component user component will not be loaded. Why? Because users component will be loaded, parent component will be loaded, and in that parent component it tries to load this user component. So now if I go and if I refresh this one, okay, if I try to refresh this one and if I try to check here, if I try to check the output, here I am able to get one error. Okay, so cannot match any routes URL segment user slash 1 slash Leela it is saying. Okay, so it cannot be able to find the match that one user slash 1 slash. So why? Because we don't have a we don't have the component to load this one directly. Okay, so how can we load this one? So in this users component, we need to tell where I need to load this children component. So sorry, I didn't pick up page copied this one. This is the not the error. So I think if I click on this one, okay, we are not able to get any output. Why? Because so users this thing is coming, but here we cannot able to see. So in this users component itself, so users component will be loaded. Fine, it's fine, it's perfect, it's loading. So when I click here, user slash one slash Krishna, users component is loading, but user component is not loading. Why? Because in this users component, we need to tell where I need to load this child component. So here in this users component, I need to tell where I need to load this child component. So here I can keep the div and write the router outlet, so that we are telling that, so whatever the child roots are having here, load in this place. So now if I go here and if I placed it, so now you are able to see that get trauma details, and if you click on users, nothing will be there. If I click here down, we are able to see the details. See, okay. So this way we can define the child roots. So here router outlet, for example, in this child root again it is there, means in this user component you need to mention the router outlet. So you will be having children something like this for this one. Okay, you need to mention children like this. So it goes on like that. Okay, so this is how we can use the nested routing or child routing in the Angular. If you have any doubts or any suggestions, please post the comments below to this video. And if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you.